everyone, it's Alicia at Raspberry Rock, and this evening I'm going to be doing a cooking dish. Russell and I sometimes like to go to the pub, and of course here at the cabin there is no pub that's close by. So I wanted to do a pub dish called Irish Nachos. Not too sure if you're familiar with it, but it's super easy, so let's get started. Ingredients I'm going to use for this dish are waffle cut fries. Sometimes the recipe I've seen, they use potato chips, but waffle cut fries are the way to go. We're going to use ground meat to make our own chili sauce, tomatoes to make our own salsa, avocado to make guacamole, onions, peppers, lime is going to go in the salsa. Some garlic, and our seasonings are going to be Tex-Mex, Cajun, a little bit of onion powder, and black pepper. For the salsa, I just diced up some of the little tomatoes, and I took half a lime and just gonna squeeze some juice in there. And I'm going to use some of the Cajun blend. Just a little bit. Stir it up, and that's got to sit, actually, a little bit of pepper, for an hour. Maybe a little bit of onion. Seasoning. So that way all of the seasonings can blend together. Next step is to work on the ground beef that's going to go on top of the fries. We're going to keep this really simple. We're just going to brown the beef, put in some of the diced tomatoes, some of the Tex-Mex seasoning, and some peppers, onions, and let it simmer for a bit. Can you give that ground beef a stir, please?
Yes. I'm very good at stirring things. There's some ground pork in here.
I wondered about that.
What's that in the freezer?
Yeah, I just pulled out a couple of bags.
Alright, okay, so we've got some ground pork in here.
That's the secret ingredient. That's alright.
It's not the onion, I just love you so much.
We're going to add our peppers and our onions, our garlic to the ground meat. Stir it up. Saute that for maybe like 5 minutes. I like to do that. But also, we're going to add our seasonings as well. So this is where the Tex-Mex comes in. Nice generous amount there. Give it a stir. And this is going to bake at 425 for half an hour. That smells good. Does that smell good?
For how long?
30 minutes.
Who's a good dog? Yeah, a good dog.
I'm going to make the guacamole now, featuring Miracle Whip.
Yay!
I don't make any fancy kind of guacamole. I just scoop it out, put in some lime juice, a little bit of pepper. Actually, could you grab me the pepper? use a tomato, but not today.
Miracle, what time? I'll lick that.
Okay. No, thank you. You can keep it. A little bit of lime juice. It's all good. Don't want it too smooth. Got to be chunky. And that's it. The guac is done. Okay, it's assembly time now. Ah! Casualty.
No! We hardly knew ye.
Oh, shoot. I should have actually kept that on. That's fine. Alright, so we are going to put our meat over the fries. Just ignore the beep. Nicely spread that around. Sprinkle our cheese. I got Tex-Mex cheese. You can use any cheese that you want, really. And you know, for the meat filling, you can put whatever add-ins that you want. We just put in peppers and onions, but if you just wanted ground beef, then ground beef it is.
Can you do the olives now? Or after they come out?
No, we can do the olives now. That's it, right? Nice and cheesy. Is that enough? Yeah, olives. A sprinkling. And olives. It's just going to go back into the oven enough for the cheese to melt.
What are you doing, little girl? What are you doing? You look so sad.
There it is.
How you do this?
Yeah, it's not going to be elegant. Oops, that's for sure.
Okay, so what do we do?
So we're going to add our toppings. Sour cream, guacamole, salsa.
Wow, that's some salsa. Jeez. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of... Can I just add it to the side there and then...
Yeah, sure. Yeah, do whatever you want to make it your own.
And this yummy, yummy Miracle Whip. Excuse me, guacamole.
Yeah.
And sour cream. Okay, so we take a bit and we put on the salsa and the guac and the sour cream.
And?
That is really good.
Good.
Mmm.
How'd you like it?
I need more of this.
That is good.
You'll need more of that.
Yep.
Get it all on there. It's tricky. It feels weird not eating, or excuse me, it feels weird eating this without drinking a beer. Because we're always in a pub eating this. But The reason we're not having a beer is because we're
Books festing.
books festing tonight. Yay! Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. We're going to sit here and enjoy this. It's really, really good. This has been a City Girl video at the Upgrade Cabin. See you next time.
Bye.
Totally gonna eat this. What are you gonna do for your next video?
I don't know. I don't know that it should be a cooking video. Something else.
Something else.
Project.
Yeah. City Girl cuts up some firewood.
Yeah.